Castaway Island Preserve is where we're at. If we get killed, I just want it to be documented where we were and what happened. I don't know what time it is, but...
It's on San Pablo Road.
Our body will be somewhere over here.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock Eastern
Central
time.
Yeah, in Eastern Standard Time. What is that? What is God, she is sniping so hard right now.
Are you the car, Mon?
Renegade! You don't know what the car is. Done. Renegade! Ew, no, gross.
What is that, sweatpants?
Stop!
Oh, look at Monica, she's so cute. Phoebe.
She is sniping so hard right now.
She loves looking outside.
How many kills do you think she has right now?
At least 10.
Oh, no. I'm still deciding at this point. You're filming me?
Wait, what's he doing?
No, thank you. I'm just gonna go somewhere else.
What just happened? Are you ready? No thanks.
I'm going somewhere else.
I'm so glad I got that. That's so random. You've never done that before.
Nope.
Okay, so now you want chicken. Do you now even want? I'm so confused. What do you want?
Hey, we're getting Chick-fil-A now.
Okay. I mean, it just didn't look good, or?
No, it wasn't that. It was just, did I want? Hey, you can't be filming my inner thoughts, my inner Belle thoughts.
Okay. I'll get our next chicken.
Stop.
Good, how are you?
Oh. I'm sorry. Quit it. Can I get... Sorry. Can I get 2 number 3s, please?
Okay, 2 number 3s.
Yes.
And the meals.
Yes, please. Can you make them both large, please?
Large fries.
Yes, ma'am.
And what's a drink?
Dr. Pepper for both, please.
Okay, Dr. Pepper for both.
And can I get large number 1, please, with a Sprite?
Okay, and then a large number 1 with a Sprite. Anything else?
That's gonna be all.
Okay, so 2 number 3 meals, large, both are Dr. Peppers, and then a large number 1 meal with a Sprite. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, your total comes to $21.09. It'll be our pleasure to serve you at the window.
Thank you. That's what you get. Now give me a card, brat.
I told her not to get anything.
Dan, I'll eat it.
You don't like the regular.
I really don't.
You couldn't stop laughing.
Babe, she was like, I'm doing good. How are you? I'm like, shut up. I can't even talk. Oh, I want to go coning.
Oh my god, that's so, like, 2 years ago.
Yeah, and then we can bring it back.
We ain't gonna bring nothing back.
Monkey! Phoebe, come here! Phoebe!
Okay. Ooh. Okay, you have to be slower, or I have to hold the camera. Okay. Castaway Island Preserve is where we're at. If we get killed, I just want it to be documented where we were and what happened. I don't know what time it is, but...
It's on San Pablo Road.
Our body will be somewhere over here.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock Eastern
Central
time.
Yeah, in Eastern Standard Time. Rabies is an acute deadly virus disease which is transmitted by an infected animal. Never try to pet, feed, or get close to a raccoon.
Let's not get bitten by a raccoon. Oh wait. Oh, there's different trails of different animals. See how it's different now?
Yeah.
What's the next animal gonna be? What do you think, Keenan? Next animal, here we go. It's, oh my god, a 9-banded armadillo.
I like armadillos.
I thought that was a Texas thing. It's really hot.
Yep.
I can't. It's too small. It's not high enough for you. That's not gonna work. Don't sneeze.
I'm not sneezing.
Don't sneeze. It's egret.
Great egret. Casper.
Get the beggars on camera. Who wants food? Who wants it? Who wants it? Oh, there's none. There's none for Mom, none for Phoebe.